At first, 14 wolves were set free in northern Yellowstone. Other wolves were added in subsequent years, until there were 170 wolves living in Yellowstone National Park. They spread throughout the park to form 10 packs and to encounter their smaller cousin, the coyote. Now, the coyotes watch, knowing they must always keep a watchful eye for the top dog, the wolf. A 100-pound wolf may just ignore the coyotes. The wolves' main prey in Yellowstone were the elk. The wolf was large enough to take down elk, something the coyote was unable to do.